All right, so today we're looking at a projector. This is one by Happrun. This is actually it seems like a pretty good deal right now if it's actually any good. Regular price $140 US on the Amazon store, but has a first off it has a 44% off. That's good, and then I believe, a $40 off coupon on top of that. So you get this thing regularly $250 US on sale for like $99. $99. That could be good if it's any good. Anyways, 4 stars, 500 reviews. If you kind of come through here, some of the prime specs, it says it can do up to 300 inches. Very cool. One-step screen mirroring projector, also good. It says it's our mini projector for iPhone is also. I guess they have another one. So if you have either, again, I don't know how big this thing is. Bluetooth, it says 5.2. Multi-support functionality. It has a 2 times USB ports, 2 times HDMI ports, an AV and an audio port. Compatible with smartphones, laptops, UDisc, DVD players, PS5, etc. It does say Netflix, Prime Video, Disney, and all those. Due to application copyrights, the video does not support direct mirroring from the phone. So just kind of be aware of that. Outdoor projector. It says outdoor projector with a 100-inch screen. Portable projector comes with a 100-inch screen for easy carrying and storage. That's what it says. And mine did not come with a portable screen. So, see, it even says here, comes with a screen. And this is the one they said they were sending. Unless there's a screen in the box. Maybe it comes with the screen part, but you have to have the tripod-y part. I don't know. But I definitely do not see a screen. Anyways, 1080p. Can take a 4K input. Always realize that with a lot of these. They always have this 1080p 4K support. Well, that means a 4K signal can come in, but it's still only going to push out 1080p. But at that price point, that's pretty good. Wireless Connect does have all these cellular, AirPlay, Miracast, latest Bluetooth 5.2. I guess that was latest when this came out because it's like 5.4, I believe, right now. One-step mirroring, excellent. Connect with a TV stick, excellent. 100-inch screen included. Again, I'm curious about that because I'm not 100% sure what they're saying. That definitely looks like a screen, but I don't know. Anyways, here's the box. Let's see if there's a screen in it. Happrun. Again, there's some information on the back if you guys even care, right? It's the F5. Let's open it up. The box came a little on the damaged side, but again, I'm not going to blame that on the company. I blame that on the shipping, right? That is what it is. See, right? F5 definitely took a little bit of a hit somewhere. So be it. That's okay. Again, it's okay as long as everything is functioning. And so you do get a screen. You see that? You do get a screen. It's really, it's just a cloth. So you do need to have something to mount that. I don't want to say that's kind of a false representation. I think they should specify that in the in the ad that you are getting this part, but you aren't getting anything to hold it, right? Not completely. They are. It is true. They are sending you a screen. It's just may not be what you kind of expected. Anyways, there's your screen. Again, they have, it looks like little clamps, so you can put these on the wall to hold this. So I guess that would be useful if you have like a colored wall, like you have something that's like a blue wall or something like this. This way you can put white up there. Yeah, that's fine. 100-inch. That's whatever. You're probably still going to want a screen if you actually want a screen. You do get a power cable. You get an HDMI to HDMI cable. You do get like an AV cable, just in case you want to have something, I'm guessing, input into that. So that will take an old product, for instance, if you're using component to their AV, right? Here's your pretty standard remote that all of these kind of give you, but whatever. Let me guess, no batteries. Come on, you can spend the 3 cents to give me batteries. It does have, oh, that's the little plug for elevation, right? So I don't think this one has like any kind of automatic, like, what is it, key zoning or anything like that. I think you might have to manually do all that. You get a service card right there, and you get a manual right there. So yeah, that's all right. That's fine. This is the unit. This is the unit here. It's, you know, for right now, $99. It's small, so it's pretty portable, which is good. And like I said, I don't think it has a lot of manual or automatic stuff on it. I think it's mostly manual. You can see everything kind of has this. It has all this kind of. You have to do it kind of yourself. Whatever. It's $99, right? What do you expect for $99? Buttons themselves seem fine for the price. If I was spending $250, I may be a little more skeptical of it. But for $100, there's your ports. There's your headphone, your AV, your USB 1, USB 2, HDMI 1, HDMI 2. Looks like I would say these are your fans on the bottom. Little feet. This, what is this? What is this? I have no idea what that is. It looks like it's a, maybe this is like it breathes air in. So this, maybe use that, I don't know, to clean it. Maybe. There's your power. There's your lens. There's your IR port. Speakers maybe on the side. I'm not too sure. Maybe those are speakers. I don't know. It doesn't matter to me. This is the cover, which it's kind of a weird cover, right? It's just it fits, but it's not as if it's like flush on there. It's like still has all these open spots, which to me feels strange, a little bit strange. All right, let's go plug it in, and we'll see if we can get something to actually play on it. All right, guys, so we have this set up, and we're in a pretty bright room right now. This is just a room in the basement. You guys can kind of just see it. Now, here's the projector right here, and I want to, first thing, it seems really kind of strange. If you look at how the projector is facing, like that's it straight, and if you were to go straight up the floor, it's off to the side. Like, I don't know if you guys can really see that, right? It looks like it's right there. It's not as if it's straight ahead. It's like it's on an angle. So it shoots what should be straight, but it's off to the right. And for being at this kind of distance, I honestly would have expected it to be a bit larger. I don't know if that's something I can change later. But in a room of this brightness, you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. But I'm going to go turn the lights off, and you'll see it in a dark room. Okay, so it's not completely dark, but dark enough, and you guys can get, again, an idea of what that looks like. So we're just going to go through the actual menu, which you can do from here. So I'm just going to click through here. So English, yeah, okay. Oh, there it gets bigger. There we go. Okay, I was like, why is it so small? Let me just get some of the stuff out of the way and get that lifted up a little bit. Hold on. Okay, so all the things that I was kind of criticizing, it's just the menu. When the menu comes up, it fires off to the right, so not a big deal. Plus, I've also moved it to a different wall, so distance-wise, you can kind of see where it is to here. And at this point, we're getting a pretty good size, image, and you can use this little guy here just to make sure it's nice and straight. Plus, you can make sure everything's in focus. So yeah, not too bad. It really all depends. Like, it's a little soft on the edges, right? You can see where it says Miracast down there. Like, that's a little soft, and you know, I'm sure I can play with that a little bit just to kind of get that sharpen up. There we go. But it's not completely straight at that point, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Anyways, through here you do have your options, so you can use your right and left arrow buttons. I'll just try to figure this out, right? Music, photos. I don't know what surprise is. I kind of want to see what surprise is. Warranty and new item test, VIP customer group. Okay, can I click on any of these? Oh, it's just please contact us. That's the surprise. Okay, and then we can go back, I guess. Yeah. Inside our options, what do we have? Picture mode, yes. And then you can set this up, color temperature, rotate, front projector, right? So if it's going to be upside down or if it's going to be right side up, anything like that, we should be able to go through sound mode, standard. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it as it is, sleep timer, and things like Bluetooth settings, software update. Okay, very good. When it's dark, it's actually not too bad. But again, the only thing I'm having some issues with, I guess maybe if I had it a little more straight, you know, just to make sure it's nice and set up, because to get it nice and crispy, it's kind of a little skewed, right? You can see at the top, it's a little fuzzy, but the middle is really good. If I kind of come in here and play with the, oh, I guess, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. For 99 bucks, I don't think I would complain too much. Anyways, I'm going to see if I can get some video stuff, and we'll see what a little video looks like on here. Hold on. Okay, so we got my laptop, as you can see. Here's my laptop set up there, and it actually doesn't look too bad. Not too bad at all. It takes a little bit getting it to not be a little fuzzy on both edges, but it may be just the fact that I have the actual projector shooting at a fair angle. If you could get the actual projector shooting a little more straight onto the screen, you'd probably have better luck. But, you know, it's something that you want to consider, especially if you're using this in a room where it's going to be sitting on a table. Anyways, image actually looks decent, fairly crisp. It's coming up as a 1080p 60 hertz for me. And if we actually click on, let's say, YouTube, just so we can get something here, you guys may be able to also see a little bit of switch account. I don't know why it's on that one. That's weird. It's my old account, that's why. Okay, never mind. Let's see what's on this old account. That's a really old account. All right, let's just see on here. We'll find something that's, all right. It's all bands. There we go. We'll do something like this. This is old, just so you guys can see what it looked like. Old promo video I did for a company way back in the day. All right.
Toronto, October 27th, play a showcase for Roadrunner Records. We wish all our friends, our family, our fans to all come out and help us. Come check us out on Facebook, get all the information. Doors are at 7 o'clock, $7 entry. We hope to see all of you guys there. Thank you, Roadrunner.
Yeah, so you know, it's good, and that's only a 720p resolution. If I were to come up here and actually just search for my own name, right, get something a little bit higher quality. Let's say a video that, let's see, sure, one of these.
It's the holidays
right?
at Wayfair.
Yo, it's a gift swap. You gotta swap your gifts.
But this pillow is so mean. Yes, that's because.
All right. Well, we are all.
Yeah, it looks good, and this is probably coming in at, oh, it's still 720. Let's crank that right up so you get a better image.
Much stuff open today to go see, but we are going.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. I can scroll around in here.
Besides,
And you don't really notice the little more the blurry edges up at the top when you're watching something like YouTube. Now, the speaker itself on here is okay. It's not fantastic, but it's okay. The only thing that, I don't know if you guys can notice if you listen, the fan itself is fairly loud, and the fan kicks in like right away. So, you know, it's, if you're having this hooked up to like a home theater system, I don't think it would be an issue. If you're using the actual projector as your speaker, the fan itself may be loud enough that it's maybe a little distracting, depending on how close the actual projector is to you. But image quality, 1080p 60, looks good. For price point, especially if you can get this thing for 99 bucks, I think it's good. It's got a lot of features, and it's nice and small, so it's nice and portable if you want to take it with you. Something this small would be nice to have a little case that came with it, but again, 99 bucks. Comes with a screen, but you still need something to kind of mount it. But if you're like me and have a white wall, then you probably won't need the screen. anyway, it's a throw-in, right? So the screen itself is probably worth $30-40. So yeah, brings this whole thing down. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in this, I'll have links below to where you can look at it, pick it up, or check some of their other projectors. And as of now, I think for $100, it's not a bad deal.